Hi everyone, once again welcome back to the tutorial channel. In this video we will discuss about what is Canva Editor, how we can edit the photos, how we can edit the videos in the Canva Editor. So in this video we will discuss that part. For that we have to select a templates, we are selecting this particular templates for editing of that. So you can see that this is the Canva template. It's looking like this. This is our main post creative part in that we have to work on. This is the basic parts that we can add in the photos. From here we'll add the element in the creative, and from here we can download and comment and view the status of that and can invite the team member. So let us start with firstly this part. So this is the content area. This is the content area. In our creative layout will be defined, and the logo is there. You can't change. Once the logo will be done in the top, you can't edit that. You can't change it. You can't move the text from one place to another place. But once you will unlock this particular page, you can see that once you will click on the unlock page, so you can move the elements from one place to another place. So this is the part, unlock and lock. The duplicate is there. The same copy will be duplicated in another via the plus this button. Now the second one is just plus. When you click on this, so add page will be there. This page has been, a new blank page has been added. So basically in Canva Editor, from two types we can create the design. The first one is the normal sketch type, in which we have to do all the things from basic, from starting. And the second one is the template base. In the template base we have the predefined templates, and that we can use in our own creative. So from that the time saving can be, and the design, complex design can be created in easier, just shorter time. So when you will click on the plus, so the new page will be added here. When the new blank page will be there, so the three options will be there. You can add the comment on this, so anyone can read this particular comment once you want to come on this page. So the background color is there. You can choose the background color according to you, and this way. As the same way we can select the background color from here. The position is there. You can choose the position overlapping, transparent. The position is there, and for the particular element this position will apply basically. Suppose the text is there. When you will click on the position, so you can see the arrange backward to backward. To back click, when you click on the to back, so the stay focus will not visible. It will be back on of that particular circle. When you will click on the to back, so the particular text has been moved to back this particular circle. When you will click on the to front, so the text has been come out on the front part. So this is the part of editing the particular Canva templates. Now you can see here, this is the copy style. Once you will copy style, so you can paste this particular style on another. So this is normal, the part of definition. In the copy style, you can copy the style of one part to the another part of the creative or same creative. Now what we have to do, in the left side we have to discuss the three dot is there. You can open the particular menu. The close button is there. The particular navigation part, the main part of the Canva has been will be hide. So now file option is there. From file option you can see the multiple option is there. Create, you can create new design. You can upload files. The setting option is there. From that you can show margin, show rulers and guides. Multiple options we can do, but in terms of the creation of the Canva design, we will just use this kind of templates. So in the left side there will be lot of option is there. The first one is the design. In the design you can see the templates and style is there, and the style you can just see the recently used color palette or color font set. So basically whatever you can change the font family, you can change the color combination of the design. Under the templates, when you will go to the templates, there will be lot of templates will be present. You can just add new templates. You can see that the particular template has been override with the new templates. So under the design option, you can add the new template in this particular templates. You can control Z to revert the change. Once you will click on the style, so the color palette is there. You can change the color palette. The color palette will be decided according on the basis of the brands, how the brands is there, how the brand is using the color theme. So according to that we can change the color palette of the particular post. Keeping consistency for a particular brands, That is very important factor to keep the consistent factors. After that, we can see that the font family we can also change. You can see that the font family is also changing. The combination of the font family, it's automatically defined by the Canva. So in this way we can see that we can add the style part in this. Now the element part is there. In the element part there will be multiple terms is there. Firstly you will see the recently used. After that you will see the graphics part, AI image generator, sticker, photos, videos, multiple option is there. Suppose you want to use the creative for the digital marketing. You want to use the creative for the digital marketing. Just you have to search in the search bar, that is a digital marketing. So you will see lot of the photos, graphics, videos, audio, frames, mockup, multiple things will be appeared here. Suppose if you want to select the graphics, so click on the graphics here. Whatever the graphics you will like, just pick that graphic and use in the creative part. You can increase or decrease the size of the graphics. That will be depend on you, like how much width and height you want to keep for that particular graphics. In the same way you can also choose the photos. Suppose you want to choose this particular photo, so you can use this particular photos for your business, creative. Now the video is also there. Some predefined stock video is there that you can use for creation of your content. Like if you will want to select this video, you can select this video, and you can change some multiple things here. Now the audio format is there. Some audio is also there in terms of the song that you can use here. The frames is there in terms of, like you want to use this kind of the frame, you want to use 1 frame, 3 frames, so multiple frame is there that you can use for your company creative. The mockup is also there, and the mockups you can see that the product mockup, basically this known as the product mockups. Suppose if you add this kind of the mockup here, this view has been added, so just make it on full screen. If you want to add on full screen you can add, otherwise you can just add some other parts. Like you can also customize it like this. 3 to 4 mockup you can create for the product. So in this way we can easily create multiple mockup for the products. So this is the particular mockup set that we can create multiple photos for the single products. So you have to click on the uploads parts. All the uploaded photo will be reflected here. Just you have to pick the photo. Suppose I want to pick this particular photo and just drag on the particular mockup part. So the photo will automatically, you can see that the photos is automatically placed in this particular part. In this same way you can add multiple photos. Suppose I want to add this photo here. So this photo will be added here. In this way we can create the product mockup photo according to our design, and that we can use here. So this is the element parts that you can use, the shapes that you can use, the charts. The text is there. In the text part you can see that the add a heading, add a subheading, title will be, description will be there. You can check here. Suppose I am changing the background color to white and I want to add a heading. So I just click on the heading will be added. I want to add subheading, the subheading will be added. So to format the style of the heading or subheading, what you have to do, when you click on the particular heading, you will see the top bar is there. In the top bar the style part is there. So the first one is the font family. From that you can change the font family. The font family, it can be like Canva Sans, Promote, Copper, Enter, DM Size, Cloud. So multiple font families available that you can pick anyone from these. Now the font size is there. From that you can increase the font size, you can decrease the font size. So whatever you want, like you want to increase the font size, that you can increase. You want to decrease the font size, then you can also decrease the font size. So in this same way we have done the two parts, like selection of the font family, increase and decrease the font size. Now the font color is there. From that we can decide the font color, what the color we want to add. Now the bold is there, we can bold and unbold the particular heading. After that italic part is there, we can convert into italic design. Underline is there, the strike, so the middle line, and uppercase, lowercase, center, left, right, suppose. From that we can make into center, left, justified, right, center, left. So here we can add the list. We can increase the letter spacing, like the gap between each word, and from here we can increase the line spacing, the line height. Line height means suppose in 2 line this is consisting, 2 line the word is coming, so what we can do, go to the line height and line spacing. You can see that the line spacing is increasing or decreasing, that we can easily manage. After that the transparency is there. You can decide how much visible the particular part. So in this you can decide like the particular heading, how much it will be visible. It will be fully visible, it will be smaller visible. So you can decide according to you. Now the effect is there. You can add the effect, shadow effect, lift effect, splice, eg. So multiple kind of the effect is there that you can use in your creative part. The animate part is there. In the animate part you can just add the info, like the typewriter you can add a heading. This is the typewriter. So this is a better way when you are going to create a video for this slide. So in the typewriter this can be work. You can see that the speed option is there. You can increase the speed, you can decrease the speed according to your requirement. In which way you want to talk to the people, in this way you can add the typewriter. So there is multiple kind of the animation that you can see here: merge, block, burst, bounce, roll, straight. So multiple option is there that we can pick according to our interest. After that the position is there. As we discussed, the 3 position is there: align to page top, this is the middle, this is the bottom, left, center, right. So and this way we can decide the position of the element, the width, total width, how much it will be contained. Like if you will increase, so you can see that the width is also increased, and the x section, this is the x ratio and y ratio. X ratio will be the horizontal and y ratio will be the vertical. This is vertical will be y ratio and x will be horizontal, so that you can measure and fix the element where you want to keep it. Now the copy style is there. Suppose you copy this heading style, so you can paste it here. The same style will be applied to the next heading on that you want to apply. So now the branch option is there, and the branch option, the multiple option is there. Like one time you can set up your branch templates to creative that you can easily use for the further time. Like in future when you are working on something, so you can easily access and easily use them. From that the time consuming can be less, and the design can be faster, can be created in faster speed up. So the uploads is there. You can here upload image, videos and audios according to your requirement. You can do this kind of the things. Now the draw option is there. You can design on and creative, like this creative is design, so you can add something and you can change the button size, all the things. You can change the color of the writing. So this is the draw, this is the creative part that you can also use while teaching, or otherwise while signature, while creating something. So this is the projects here. All the projects will be reflected, whatever the projects you will created in the past, all the particular project will be reflected here. The apps will be there. In the apps, basically there will be lots of apps present in the Canva that you can use. These are some other third party apps you can see here. In your app, my apps will be shown, my apps that has added from here. So there are the lot of the text is there that I can use. Suppose this is the text to speech app is there. When I click on this, it will say open. So it is processing. So like in that you have to mention hello, nice to meet you. So you can select language, you can select the voice, multiple voices there, and after that you can just select volume, extra soft, medium. After that you can speed, pitch. When you click on the preview speech, it will be look like. And you can also change the particular part. So say if you want to keep this preview speech, so according to you, whatever that will be suitable to you, you can use them. Preview speech. So click on the create audio. Once you will click on the create audio, you have to connect your account with this particular business. So once the account creation part done, you can access all the info from here. So this is the main part of the, like, in which we can design, we can add the photos, we can add the elements, we can draw the shape, we can draw the particular lining, a particular something that we want to draw. Now this is the page zoom in the top right bottom. In the right bottom you can see that this page zoom, you can zoom it according to your requirement. So normally, like, this is, you can decrease or increase while editing the creative. Now that this ratio is there, this thumbnail view, like all the thumbnail will be reflected. Suppose in this particular creative there are the 3 posts, so instead of showing 3 posts one by one, just we can mention in the thumbnail part, when I click on the first part, so only the first part creative will be reflected, and when I click on the second will be reflected. When I click on the third will be reflected. So this is a part of the thumbnail view. In this way we can see the thumbnail view. Now the 4th option is there, that is the grid view. In the grid view, what is the 3 option is here. So suppose I want to edit the second one, so I have to click on the second one. Now the second one has been reflected here. So from here I can